The CAD Staking feature of the ApeSurvey app allows you to easily handle the task.
During staking, the software offers 3 methods of movement to asset in processly, adjusting the position of design points, ensuring error for construction. To accommodate various needs, CAD graphic fields also support switching between user-coordinated system and the world-coordinated system, offering flexible and convenience.
Okay, now that we have completed the survey, it's time to inspect and expect the results.
All operational data in ApeSurvey can be saved and matched by clicking on the filter and export options. You can easily view and utilize the record points library.
From CAD drawing review to process staking, the ApeSurvey software offers comprehensive support to help you efficiently complete every project.